Join my Discord server. Link is in the description below.
Press start.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Yep, we're playing Baldi's Basics. People already know, probably like 1 million people already know about this game. It grew in popularity in May, like late May. Yeah, late May. Yeah, so you know this game. It's not a horror game at all. So let's just start. So I already played a pre-round before, and I just did my maths wrong. It was like 5 minus 8. I was thinking, oh, it's free.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite, good one. Good one.
And
You got it.
yes, there we go.
You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
Thank you,
Just
Baldi.
click on it with the left mouse button to pick
That's,
it up.
I thought that was a door.
Then,
Wow, I'm
if you find
stupid.
something you could use it on, right-click on the
Yeah,
problem
whatever.
one.
0,
Great job.
-1.
Great
Impossible
job.
question.
That's right. Problem
So,
3.
okay.
Plus
Wow, yum, yum.
times
Wow, yum. That's absolute good
equals
content. Okay, so, you know the answer to this question is minus star 12946. Well, guess what? You can't place asterisks or stars in the thing, so it's bogus. So let me do. Okay, you know what? Okay. Wait. Let's do something. Okay, you know what? Kara's attack damage. Is that right? It's not right. Great. Okay. Can I get out of this? Okay, quick. There's Baldi right there. I have to. Okay. I sort of know how to play the game. So, you just. Okay, that's Sweep. Okay. I'll call him Sweep.
Let's play. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well,
Let's play. Let's not play again. No playtime, okay? Get the scissors and the notebook. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2. Out of the way. 8 minus 4 is 4. And the impossible question, blah blah blah. I hear every door you open. Okay. I'll just try. I'm scared that it's right. Oh god, he's right there. Ah!
I am coming radio.
Okay, let's go. At least it's shift. Now I know my Minecraft. Wait, that's Gary's mod. Right. Okay, 3 out of 7 notebooks. That's actually okay for my quote-unquote first try. You know what? Let's not get that notebook right now. So oh yeah, I can zoom. Right? I'm gonna like press C, thinking it's Minecraft. Wait, Principal, weren't you over there? Oh, okay, quick. Where's the bee soda machine? Okay, I can run. I feel like I'm pressing space, thinking I can jump. Wow, I'm a Minecrafter, 100%.
I see you, friend.
I see you. Crap. It sounds like, to me, first prize sounds like he's saying, I see you. Crap. Is Baldi right behind me? Where is he? Oh god! Nani! Go, run! Okay, at least you can go faster when you're resting. I'm just gonna press space. Boy, there's a Z bar in there, but I had to wait for him to. Yeah, I won't be able to get into school faculty because of that. Aww. Bully, can you please give me... what should I give him? I think he'll just take the quarter no matter what. Quick! Soda! No, you stuff! No! Okay. Okay. Woo! This is okay, I give up.
You messed up.
Okay, that was great. That was the best first round ever.
Now it's time for everybody's.
Okay. I am bad at math. 5 minus 0 is 5. Sorry, Baldi. What the flip? Okay. It's like a machine gun. A ruler machine gun. It's gonna be right at the door. Where is he? Oh, it's right in a different spot now. I think you can... Not now, please. Okay.
1,
I think I have time. Maybe.
3, 4.
Okay. Let's not play again. Sometime never. Shut up. No one likes you. Seriously, if you search up Baldi's basic play times, like, rants about her existing, I mean, like, she wants to play. She only wants to play. I mean, like, she's just an innocent kid. Ruining all of the run. Okay, quick. Get that and get the key so I can get out of detention. And use a quarter to get a zesty bar. Why can't I use it? Oh, just drop. Whoops.
No entering school.
Okay.
Only rooms in the hall.
Let me just wait.
Detention for you.
Oh God, Baldi's right there. Okay. Maybe I can do this. This is risky. Dang it. Dang it.
Time for everybody's favorite subject.
Please don't get this
math.
wrong.
You're doing fantastic. You got. I can't believe it.
Yes.
You're incredible. Get your prize. 1, 3 minus 5. You're doing fantastic. You got it. Problem 3.
15 seconds.
It's
Detention
literally
for you.
not
You should
even
know
5
better.
seconds. That's literally 1 second in. I've already gotten detention. Okay, get closer. Okay, that's good. Get out!
No running in the hall.
Oh my God, are you serious? Yay, got out of detention! Boom, I'm back in
Welcome to
detention.
Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
Oh my God!
Go. 1, 2,
She tricked me!
3, 4.
I thought she was over there when she came around. Okay, there's no... I think I should go in there. Get in! Pick it up! Open the door. Get the thing. Get out of the school faculty. Okay, so now I got the no, I got. Oh my God, are you serious? No.
Let's play.
No, let's not play, please. I don't want to jump rope 5. What?
I am coming, radio.
Okay, you can
Here I
cancel
come.
your request of a playtime for 5 seconds. That's fine.
Oh,
Nothing wrong with that.
I want to
Okay,
play
quick,
with
let's get the
someone.
7. Wow, I'm an idiot. I can't do maths, right? It's summer, so I basically lose everything about math. Oh, this is. Get the scissors! Wait, if I stay here, I can't fit. I have plenty of time, but I want to see if I can trick him. Is he gonna come? Does he know I'm here? I'm scared. I'm scared he's gonna run right through that door. Okay, there's Baldi. Where's Baldi?
Let's play.
Let's not play.
Go. That
Makes
makes
me
me
happy.
happy.
I love that he added the scissors.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Everything's-
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Gotta sweep, 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 sweep. What the heck was
Gotta
that?
sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
No, 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 no. Oh god, Baldi's right there.
Let's play. Ready?
Go! Go! Ah!
Oops, you messed up.
Bye bye. Ha. See you at the end of the hall. Hey, you didn't caught me.
I am coming,
Principal didn't catch me. I'm
radio.
happy with that.
Here I come.
Hey, first prize, can you move out of the way? Baldi's right.
Will
Ah!
you marry me?
Ah! I want my. Ah! Ah! You pushed me on me for free. Okay, thank you. Okay, run, 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 run. Hurry.
I have lost you. I don't like that.
I do like that. Hopefully Baldi won't be in front of my flippin' face. And he isn't. Thank goodness. Alright. Did I go here? Oh, this is another notebook. Let's get it. 5, 0, and wala wala. Every door you open. I think he loses me every time I get a notebook. I got 4 notebooks. That's actually very good. Is Baldi right here? Nope, don't. Okay, I'm getting the safety scissors out. Oh god, he's right there. Go, 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 go.
Let's go. That
Makes me happy
happy.
because Baldi's right there. I think we'll give him the tape. Okay, oh come on. Are you serious? You know what, let's just go. Let's just go in here. Get the quarter. Fast as possible. I don't know what to do now.
Sweeping time.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Gotta sweep,
No
sweep,
entering
sweep.
school faculty only. Rooms
I got
in the
saved by the
hall.
principal. Thank you for putting me in
15
detention. I don't care.
Detention for you.
Gotta sweep,
Since
sweep,
Will
sweep.
you saved me in the nick of time. And my stamina is refilling.
Sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh, come on.
Let's
Ah!
play.
Hey, no, 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 no. Okay.
Go.
Ah. That was actually an okay run. Not bad.
Welcome
welcome to Baldi Basics
in
in
Education and Learning.
What is
That's
that?
me. It's time for everybody's favorite subject. I can't believe it. You're incorrect. You got great job. The shiny quarter. Problem 1. 0 minus 7. You got it. Problem. You got it.
No running in the halls. 15 seconds.
It's literally
Detention
5
for you.
seconds in,
When
Principal.
will you learn?
I will never learn. No one will learn because you put everyone in detention. Your school is too strict.
Someone.
What's that? Okay. Come on, Baldi. Come on. Are you gonna enter the flippin'? Okay. Oh, Jesus! Whew, that scared me. So bad! Ah! That scared me so bad. Holy flip! That scared me so bad. Oh my lord! Oh my god, that scared me so bad. That scared me way more than it should. Does he even go to the classrooms? Oh, he does. Okay. That makes sense. I think I'm okay for now.
Let's play. Oh, that makes me sad.
Okay, quick, get the quarter, get the
I
quarter!
wanna play with someone.
Quick, get the quarter! Baldi right there. No, he's right there. Okay. Now I know where he is. Should get the padlock, maybe. Nope, that's sweepy sweep. I got 2 quarters I can use. Okay. Sweep Baldi away, thank you. Thank you, sweep. Thank you. You just saved my life again. Sweep. Wait. Is Baldi right there? Why does Baldi sound so close but so far away? Alright, let's go and get this notebook. We'll have 5 out of 7, that's fine. Let's quickly get the scissors as well and solve these math problems. 3, 10, and whatever. Alright. There he is. There is the Mr. Baldi. I should have gotten into the school faculty room first, but I feel like I'll get in detention, so I wouldn't do that. I think he's far away enough for me to get this notebook. So we'll have 5 out of 7. Okay, we have to do some quick maths. Okay, that's correct. That's correct, and that is never correct. It's like 0 divided by 0 all over again. You can't even enter the... Okay, let me just sit like a teacher and wait for him. Quick! Wait, that's cafeteria. That's cafeteria. I'm gonna drop stuff. Drop it. Get the soda! Ah! Okay, I'm gonna stand right here. Use! Alright, go, 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 get the bar! And then run! Run! I had these hitboxes.
No running in the hall.
Are you serious? I was not in the hall! Oh no!
30 seconds.
I think we're
Detention for you.
I don't hear Baldi.
You should know better.
I should not know better. Because I'm trying to get out of this school. Wait, that's my... Where's Baldi? Where's Baldi? I'm trying to see what's in the Comic Sans. Sans close. I'm gonna say... Oh, okay. There he is. Woo! Dang it! That was a good run, though. That actually startled me, but not scared me so good.
Welcome to
Okay,
Baldi's
one more round, and then
Basics
we're gonna end the video
Education
there.
and
Let's pray. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, first prize, save me!
Dang
it!
You messed up. 1.
Oh, Baldi's right there! Thank you! Get me out! Baldi, okay. I mean, why did I call him Baldi? He's not Baldi.
I have lost you.
For some reason, I
don't
think he's
like
Baldi
that.
because of his head. It's clearly not. Alright. School faculty. Go, go, go. Get the keys, get the keys. Get the keys. Get the zesty bar. Okay. There's a cafeteria. There's a cafeteria. Get the soda, get the soda, get the soda. Ah! Okay, I got the soda. Okay, I'll get the sissy bar. There's Baldi right there. Okay. Not really fast right now. Thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes! Go! Run away! Baldi! Okay, get this notebook. Get the red one. Get the notebook. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. Quick maths. 5 minus 5 is 0, and that's quick maths. You just spam numbers in your answer thing. This reminds the you can think pad reminds me of Classworks. Like there was like of course it's like a parody of educational games. Oh my god! First prize! What are you doing? Okay. Rip, just take me. Oh my god! That scared me so bad. Well, I'll end it over here.
welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Baldi and Minecraft and crap. And, well, not crap, but other stuff, yeah. And, I hope you enjoyed my episode of Baldi's Basics. I'm gonna practice some, off camera, and maybe if I record, I may win this game. And if I do, it would be fun. Well, Baldi, I'll see you next time. Okay, anyways, goodbye. Subscribe, please.